Hello everyone, my name is Tâm. This is my homework for South. The first is, please, 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 please. Please speak English with me. 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 E, 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 E. Difficult, 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 difficult. It's not difficult to speak English. It's not difficult to speak English. It's not difficult to speak English. Eh, 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 eh. Everything, everything, everything. Everything you ready. Everything you ready. Everything you ready. Everything you ready. As, as, as. Practice make perfect. Practice make perfect. Practice make perfect. Practice make perfect. Please speak English with me. It's not difficult to speak English. Everything is ready. Practice make perfect. Thank you so much.